misdemeanors or felonies?
Person. Person. Sí.
I got one plea to do, and then I'll start back up on the PR bonds. I'm sorry, but
It's okay, but are you going to do misdemeanors or felonies first?
I'm doing women first, and those are felonies. We already did misdemeanors, so we're doing 3 felony women after I do this.
All right, thank you.
Okay, and now I have Ramos Sanabria there. Do we have the interpreter? I got to do the interpret thing on my end. So hold on, I got to hit the dreaded interpreter button. 1 minute.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, let me see. Come on. So can we test to see if it's working?
All right, good.
Let me see. I've got English on. I don't know if, okay, hold on. Let me try this one more time. Okay. So what do I do? Update. All right. So I've got that done. I've got English done. All right. Can we test it? Is it working, Arlene?
Sí.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Mr. Ramos Sanabria, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sí.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I am about to share my screen with you. Okay. Is your name Gerson Ramos Sanabria?
Sí.
Are you the same Gerson Ramos Sanabria who in this cause number 663-159 who's charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense? Is that you?
Sí.
Mr. Munoz, is this driving while intoxicated as a first offense? Because there was nobody filled out the possible punishment in this case. I'm assuming this is DWI first. Is that right?
That's what I have as well.
Okay, then I'm putting that in. Okay, he's charged with the DWI as a first offense, and it's possible in this case that he could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 72 hours in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from a minimum of $0 up to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, sir?
Sí.
Okay, I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you have signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video and we don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Sí, señor. Sí.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí.
And do you understand it?
Sí.
Are you a citizen of this country?
No.
Do you understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty in this case could affect your immigration status?
Sí.
And by that, I mean, it is possible that if you have a green card, you could lose your green card. It is possible that you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible that you could be deported. Do you understand those 3 possibilities?
Sí.
Mr. Reitmeyer, did you talk to your client about the possible immigration consequences?
We did, Your Honor.
And he understands them?
I believe so, Judge.
Okay. I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And you've signed this, Mr. Sanabria. And when you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí.
So then, to the offense, driving while intoxicated as a first offense, How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
And you understand I can still find you guilty on that plea.
Ujú.
Has anybody forced you to enter this
Sí.
plea?
No,
Besides any kind of plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
no,
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
no sé.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Sí,
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite the plea bargain for me, please?
Yes, Your Honor, the agreement is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 47 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, we ask this be a judgment satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Reitmeyer?
It is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Ramos Sanabria?
sí,
And Mr. Ramos Sanabria, the court having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 147 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current, judgment satisfied. Do you know if your client has a immigration hold, Mr. Reitmeyer?
I was told at this time he does not.
Okay. If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released. All right. Good luck to you. Tell the deputies we're finished with your case.
ok.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
You can be excused, Mr. Reitmeyer. Thank you very much.
Gracias.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, Judge. Good to see you.
Gracias.
Okay. Somebody needs to tell me the magic words.
Turn off YouTube. And excuse Arlene.
Goodbye, Miss April.
Thank you,
Excuse-
Arlene. Thank you,
Uh,
Arlene.
Bye.
And Mona.
Valverde or Revelos, want to give me the magic words?
Oh, you can't hear